Hey guys, this is Jason here, and I've been getting a lot of questions recently about how to start investing in cryptocurrencies, and I just think the easiest way is to open a Coinbase account. So I'm gonna run through that with you guys real quick. In the search bar, you just want to go Coinbase.com. Boom, there it is. It comes right up like that, and you got sign up. It's just gonna put you on a sign up page. You're gonna type in your email. Click get started. Then what you're going to want to do is just fill out this information for individual, your name, um, email address, password, state, click you're not a robot, certified to their terms, and hit create an account. Once you do that, you'll be able to sign in. So you just put in your information, sign in. Alright, for me, because I've already went and got this two-step verification set up, it's going to want a code. And I'll tell you how to set that up in a minute. So you're going to just enter your code. Now that code changes maybe every 30 seconds to a minute, so you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. And you're going to go in here, you got a dashboard, it shows you whatever, right? Then you just go to the settings, and I advise that you should set up the two-factor authentication. And how you do that is on your phone, you're going to download the Google Authenticator app. And then what you're going to do to get it set up is you're going to go there to the security page. You're going to put in your phone number. Then you're going to go down and you're going to set it up for, I don't advise to use the SMS authenticator. I would use the Google Authenticator. I just think it's a more safer way to keep your investment secure. And then over here, you're just gonna, I just do require verification code to send any amount of digital currency. All right, so when you get there, when you get that all set up, you're gonna want to put some money into Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, or Litecoin, right? So just remember, if you put money into Bitcoin, the fees are high if you're ever going to move that money or sell it, whatever. Ethereum and Litecoin have really low cost fees, so that might be a way to go. But you're going to add your payment methods on here, and you can either add a debit card, and if you add a debit card, what they're going to do is you're going to input your information of the card, and they're going to debit your account 2 charges, small charges, probably under $2 each. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come back, and it's going to ask you for them charges, and you just put them in whatever they took out. So if you have online banking, you can go and look up your card and what is debited. It might be under temporary transactions, and you just look in there, and then you put those numbers in, and you should be able to use your bank card. Another way to go is to just add your bank itself, and I think you just have to put in your account number and routing number maybe, and you'll be able to use your bank. So if you just use your bank account, when you put money in to say Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's $11,000, when you put that money in, that's what it's going to cost you. And you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. And so at that time, you know, we're just going to say you bought one Bitcoin as $11,345. Well, when you buy it with your bank, that's what you're going to get it for. And the problem is you're not going to be able to touch that money for a week probably till it gets into your account. It takes about a week to actually be able for you to move any of that money. If you use your debit card, that money will go in there right away. And then if you need to move it somewhere, you can right away. So yeah, that's it really. So you and you have different card limits here. So I think in the beginning it starts off you can do a weekly limit of $750, and then as you put money in there or time increases, you can increase the limits. So um, yeah, that's really all there is to it right there. And then if whatever you want to buy, say I'm using my debit card right here in US dollars, I go here, $100 worth, and then it will give me 0.008 Bitcoin, you know, and then you just hit buy Bitcoin instantly. Bam, that's it. So that's how you do it, folks. If you have any questions or anything, leave it in the comments below, or else you could check out our website at knowwhentohodl.com. And if this video helped you out, just give it a thumbs up. All right, guys, thanks.